In this video, I'll be going over how to multiply two-digit numbers in a shortcut way. The normal method of multiplying two-digit numbers will require us writing them out in multiplication format. Now there is an easier and faster way to do it. It looks something like this. The first step, we would take the first digit of the first number, multiply by the first digit of the second number. That's step one, and we would place it right here. For the second step, we would take the second digit of the first number, multiply by the second digit of the second number, and we'll place it right here. Then we would take the second digit of the first number, multiply by the first digit of the second number, and place it right here. Now for the fourth step, we would take the first digit of the first number, multiply by the second digit of the second number, and we will place it right here. So the blank space between 1 and 2 would be the step 3 plus step 4. This all look kind of confusing right now, but after the examples, you will understand how this works. So let's look at the first example. We have 52 times by 41. So for the first step, we're going to take 5 times 4, and that gives us 20. Then the second step, we're taking 2 times 1 equals 2. We'll place it right here at the end. Then we'll place a blank space in between. For the step 3, we'll take 2 times 4, which equals 8. Then we will have 5 times 1, which equals 5. So we'll place a 5 like so. We have 20, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So this space would be 3 because it only allows one digit. And the 10th value would be added on top right here. Then we have 2, like so. Next, we will add the 1, so it becomes 21, and then 3, and then 2. So therefore, the answer is 2,132. And you may also punch this in the calculator of 52 times 41. And you will see that the answer is correct. Now let's try the second example. 25 times 34. So we're going to go ahead and do that again. First digit times the first digit, and that gives us 6. Now we place a space in between. Now we have 5 times 4, 20. Now the space in the back only allows one digit, so this would be 0, and then we have to put a plus 2 on top. And this plus 2 will be added later. Next, we're going to take 5 times 3, which is 15. Then we have 2 times 4, which is 8. And then we'll go ahead and rewrite this. 6. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus the 2 is 25. So we are only allowed to place one digit here, so it will be 5, and then we'll place a plus 2 on top. And then 0 remains there. Now, the 6 need to plus the 2, so it becomes 8. And then we have 5 and 0. So the final answer here is 850. Now try inputting that in the calculator of 25 times 34, and you will see the answer is 850. Now let's move on to example 3, 31 times 25. So we're going to take 3 times 2, first step, have 6. 1 times 5, 5. Then we'll have a little space in between. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 3 times 5 is 15. Bring this down. 6. And this 2 plus 15 is 17. So we'll write a 7 and a plus 1 here. And a 5. Then we have 7, 7, 5, which is 775. Inputting that in the calculator, you will see that 31 times 25 is 775. Now for the final example, 15 times 31. Using the same method, 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3, 15. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 15 plus 1 is 16. So final answer, 465. And inputting that in the calculator of 15 times 31, the answer would be 465. So these 4 examples are how you will multiply 2-digit numbers in a fast and shortcut way. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.